Well, first of all, thank you for joining our evaluation session today.
Mhm.
I'm going to give you this task description document and please read it thoroughly, and once you're done, you'll sign this consent form on data collection, okay?
Thoroughly, like as you said, vulnerable ability, new feature of Steve as given, using Dell latitude, 10 minutes subject and your problem. Alright, I think I get it.
All right, please read this consent form, and once you're done, sign right here.
Here.
Yep.
Alright. I'll sign my name. Today is 17th, yeah?
Yep, 17th of May.
Alright.
Right. Let's get started with task one. Your task is to find out whether this computer right here can run Detroit Become Human smoothly.
Alright.
Start.
So if I want to see if this computer can run the game smoothly, you need to know the spec. And the common consensus is to list the spec in this highlight the section. So I will store here. Oh, the stats. Maybe the spec will be in here. No, there's just a cell value of the games and the playtime. Library, home. Yeah, that seems pretty reasonable. No, this is literally the home where they play the games. Community, maybe there'll be a discussion on my spec, or maybe the list is somewhere in here. Seems tools and server. See, nope, it's just a folders. Maybe home. What do home have? Maybe the spec sheet, or just community activities. What the hell? Where the hell are the specs? See in the market. Oh, profiles. Maybe the spec will be listed in here. Nope. There's none of the information that I need. Maybe in the contents? Nope, it's lagging hard. Artworks. No, this is just this content page. Maybe in inventory. In that case, the spec probably listed here. No, it's just his collectibles in Steam. So there's none of the information I need in the highlighted section. Maybe up here, Steam. Yeah. Change account, sign in, backup. I don't see anything. Maybe in settings. Maybe you can find something notable in settings. I cannot find anything notable in the settings. Maybe in views? In games, download small picture. No, that's just listed away. Games, library, redeem. Nope. Maybe in help. Probably they can help us. Oh, system information right over here. Oh, the CPU. The exact information that I need. So it's the CPU from Intel using a Core i7 8008 8050 or something. Does it pop up? What the hell? Oh, it's pop up as another window. Okay. So now I need to find the spec requirements for the game Detroit Become Human. So I just need to search for it. Oh, come on. Detroit Become Human. This game right here. And it should be listed at the top because it's quite an important piece of information. I don't know. Oh, there's a spec sheet. There you requirements are a Core i5 600. So I'll pop into the browser over here. Core i5. Is it the 600 versus the i7 that is in the computer spec? 7. Oh, nope, that's not the page. 8850. Let's click on the first link to see what they said about a comparison of two CPUs. The website's not even launching. Thanks, dude. Oh, there we go. Superseded by the i5. No, don't think that's potent information. Upon skimming over the page, I can tell that the i7 is significantly better in terms of performance anyway, compared to the i7. Compared to the i5, I mean. Yeah, I think this computer is comparable. It will be able to run Detroit Become Human.
So your conclusion for task 1 is the computer will be able to run the game smoothly?
I am confident.
Alright, let's move on to the second task then. So you'll be doing the same task, but this time using our prototype. So I'll just link you to our prototype right here. Alright, so same game, same computer, but now our prototype has a new feature that you can test out. Please give it a go.
Alright, it's very similar to the layout of the original Steam page. I can see the spec over here. I see another particular feature in the layout, which is two buttons over here, which the original doesn't have. The help here being here is pretty good. I can tell that it's a pretty important piece of information that the user like me have to know. And the chat feature, what the hell is that? Oh. Oh, I think I get where this is going. I see. So we'll use a chatbot to see if this computer can run the game or not. So maybe I can ask it, can my laptop that is what is the laptop name again? Oh, right here. This is the Dell Latitude. Oh, that's correct spelling. Latitude 5590 2018 run Detroit fuck it Human. Detroit Become Human is a demanding game, requiring a capable system to run it, as my knowledge, cut off in September. Windows 10. Alright, I know this kind of information. Interesting. Ah. I see. So the CPU can handle the load, but my GPU can, the graphics card can't. Whoa. Oh. I see. Oh, that's pretty odd. Huh. So this computer cannot run smoothly, at least the game.
So your conclusion for task 2 and from the response of the AI is
well, it said the CPU might be sufficient, but the integrated graphics card is likely insufficient for the game. So yeah, this laptop cannot run it.
Well, all right. Thank you for your participation. And now we'll ask you to do a survey in order.
How old are you? 18. Male. On a scale 1 to 5, how rate computer hardware knowledge? Decent. 3. Do you often use chatbot for assistance and support? I'll make a 3. Pretty decent. Have you ever used Steam before? Not that much. Maybe twice per year. Often use Steam to purchase and play games. Not really often, really. Prior to using chatbot prototype, how do you rate your overall experience while using Steam to complete a given task? That's awful. Probably 1 or 2. I'll give it 1, like that's awful. After using the chatbot prototype, would you rate overall experience while using Steam? No, it's way better. The layout is way more readable. Was the chatbot able to understand your question? Oh yeah. Flawlessly. How would you rate the accuracy of the chatbot comparing games? I'll give it maybe a 4. It did list the correct spec. Did a correct spec with this cascade. I'm going to use 5. How clear and easy to understand were the chatbot responses? Very clear, lists out all the spec and likelihood to run the game. Get a chatbot response, how long is to purchase the game? Probably a 2 because I know my laptop cannot run on it, so probably save a few bucks. How confident are you in chatbot assessment and computer compatibility with the game? I'm very confident at this time. How likely are you to use a chatbot again to compare a game compartment? Very likely, my experience just then prove itself. How likely are you to recommend a chatbot for a friend or colleague? Very likely. Please share suggestions and feedback to improve a chatbot. I don't think I have any feedback. The function works perfectly fine and as intended, so maybe improve the layout a bit, improve the UI design. Yeah. Of the chatbot page. It seems really fundamental. Alright, so I just submit.
All right. Thank you for your participation.